Enrile. And here's Karangyan. Karangyan ni crossover. Left-handed votes. Baget and one. Crossover. Maggay. Side step please. Baget. Maggay. Ventura off the top. So black. Mars in the pass. Baget. Siwagan one-on-one. Punta pa. Straight to the hoops place. Baget. Pasiwagan. Idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa quarterfinals ng Intertown ng Cagayan. Apong League 2024 para sa laban ng Tuguegarao at Enrile. Jump ball. Oh, Pagaduan versus that's 24. And here you go. Stops. Fires off the mark. And Tuguegarao basketball. Pass to the corner. Pass back. And pass to the middle. And here's Turingan. Pass inside. Maggay. Reverse layup. Baget for two. Maggay. First blood. And that's Kuntapay with the ball. He pass. Number 12. Ventura to De Guzman. Tagitna. Kuntapay. Swartz fakes. Clutch. Fire of the glass. In and out. Umapik na lang sa ulo si Swartz. Turingan. And here's Pasiwagan, launch on three. Bang! Kuntapay versus Turingan. Swartz, corner. Fix, Ventura, off the tarp. Oops, so black. Mars, in the pass. Baget to the receives. And dribble the ball. He stop, launches on three. Off the target. Battle for the rebound. Goes to Enrile. And here's Karangyan. Karangyan ni crossover. He attacks. Left-handed votes. Baget and one. Maggay. Pasiwagan drives. And pass back. Bounce pass. Maggay. Crossover. Maggay. Side step please. Baget. Kuntapay with the setting the play. May umakyat. Pass to Karangyan. Side step. Water shot. No good. Rebound, mapupunta sa Tuguegarao. Pasiwagan one-on-one with Kuntapay. Straight to the hoops place. Bakit? Pasiwagan. Kuntapay dribbling the ball. He's at the top. He's top to the corner. Karangyan launches on three. Too strong. Rebound, Swartz fakes. Clutch, reverse layup. No, too strong. And rebound. Karangyan pinabitin. And here's Turingan, he drives, pass to the middle, floater shot, no good, rebound, put back, block. And here's stolen by Ventura. Ventura eyes on Harry, lays, pass, and tries a three, bang! Turingan. Nasa segue. Pass to the middle. Pasiwagan. He goes to the middle, goes to the rim, lays, bucket. Kuntapay slowly dribbling the ball, Sumegwe. Corner 3, Ventura. Rebound, Karangyan, natapal. And it's Turingan, the long pass. Sakto yung pass, one bounce and far off the window. Mani. And Guzman. Pass to Kuntapay, setting the play. He stop, Guzman, hook pass inside. Hicks, create space. Kicks out, floater shot. Won't go. Sumakay, lace. No. He's on the middle. Lolokos inside. And almost ends recover. And he spins. Balisi block by Kuntapay. Kuntapay 4-on-1 ang laban. Bounce. Lace. Bucket. And pass to Maggay to the corner. Pass back. Taginod. Taginod. Stops. Pass inside. Alley-oop pass and a good fin. And here's Karangyan. Corner pass. Fires at 3. Too strong. And the rebound by Malto. Long pass by Taginod. And bounce pass. Pinasahan sa ilalim. Dive for the ball. Javier to Karangyan. Karangyan. Goal! Too strong yun lang. And buti na lang sinave yun. And here's Team Tuguegarao. That's Taginod to Maggay. Maggay, he drives to the middle. Hook pass block by Karangyan. Hook pass Karangyan. Another one goes beneath Bitlays. Karangyan. And crosses the mid lane between the legs. Taginod. Pass to the middle. Inside pass. Reverse layup. And one. Javier with the ball. Dribbling. He stops. Pass to Swartz. Swartz. Attacking the beacons. Ball is stolen by Tagakay. And here you go. Taginod with the lace. Bucket. Taginod. Javier. Javier to the middle. Bounce pass to Karangyan. Attacks to the corner. Floater. And all 19. Tagakay to corner. Maltuto. Tagakay. He attacks. Bounce pass. Libreng libre. Easy to. And here's Karangyan. He pass to Javier. Javier to Ventura. Cross pass to Karangyan for 3. Short. Rebound Tagakay. Tagakay. He stop. He pass to the middle. At that top for Taginod between the legs. And pass to the corner. And pass back. And here's Tagakay. Taginod spins. Pass to the corner. Maltu. Corner. Wild open for 3. Bang! And pass to the middle. Kicks out. And Asuncion. Turingan. Maguddayaw. Fires off the glass. Bucket. And here's punta pa na tapikan ni Stolen. Tagakay. Pass to the middle. Stops. Pull up J. Go short. And Kuntapay. Pass to Swartz. Uy! Iniwan pero naagawan. And there's 3-on-1 ang laban. Asuncion. Maguddaw. Pass to Asuncion. Easy to Asuncion. Kuntapay. Between the legs. Spins. Pass to the middle na tapikan. Karangyan. Pass to Magbitang. Pass to Swartz. Swartz fakes. Clutch. Fire. Basket and one. And here's Asuncion. Pagaduan. Kakaldag. Kicks out to Tagakay. Hook pass inside. And a recover. Tagakay goes out. And a Ginod. Wild open for 3. Won't go. Rebound Swartz. And there's Kuntapay. Pass to Magbitang. Hook pass to the corner. Magbitang. Drives. Floater off the glass. Magbitang. And here you go. Pagod magad. Taginod. Stops. Pass inside. Hook chase. Bucket. Kuntapay. Pass to the middle. Swartz. Pass to Kuntapay. Corner pass. Magbitang for 3. Tugos. 2. Pasok yan. Kuntapay with the ball. Di distansya. A little spin. He attacks. Goes to the middle. Pull up jumper. In and out. Put back off the glass. One. And Taginod. Crossover. He stops. Corner pass. Wild open for 3. Asuncion no good. Karangyan. Zumigway. And here's Kuntapay. Kuntapay. Pumagitna. For 3. Bang! Kuntapay. Kuntapay. Sumigway. Kuntapay still with the ball. Dribbling the ball to the middle. Swartz. Pull up jumper. Bucket! Swartz. Tagakay. Pass break. And here you go, Lace. Oh, naabutan pa. And here's Karangyan. He goes to the middle. He plays. No. And here's Guzman. Karangyan. Karangyan. Kuntapay. Spins. Stops. Hook nag-agawan. Hook pass. Long pass. Lace. Turingan. Bucket. Turingan. Kuntapay. Inverse bounce pass. Swartz kicks out. Kuntapay. Leave. Picks. Another. Kuntapay for 3. No good. Kasiwagan for the rebound. Tagakay. Tagakay. He goes to the corner. Pass to Turingan. Kicks out. Sa gitna. Kawilan for 3. Bang! Pass to the corner. Picks. Sa gitna. Swartz. Floater shot off the glass. Tagakay. Goes to the middle. Lost the ball. And here's Karangyan, no look pass inside, fires off the glass, and a 2-point lead for Team Enrile. And setting the play for Karangyan. And pass to the corner. Uy! Nadali sa pasiwagan dun. Sa tres. Bang! Bullseye! Turingan. Uses the screen. Sumegway. Turingan bumangga. Kawilan. Pull up J. Off the mark. Rebound. And a pass. And it is... Oop! Iraring Karangyan. Easy 2. And Balisi for 3. Bang! 3 points. Balisi. And here you go. You pass back. And Karangyan holds the ball. Karangyan. He pass to the corner. Schwartz. Oh, binasa sa loob. No good. Maggay. Bimangga. And really basketball. Karangyan with the receive. He dribble the ball. Karangyan goes to the pick. Pulls on 3. Bang! Balisi. Pass to Maggay for 3. Un off the mark. And ball goes to Schwartz. He stops. And pass to Kuntapay. He fires at 3. Bang! Long pass. Pasiwagan. Goes to the traffic. He left lace. No good. And Ventura. Karangyan naipit. Pinasa kay Schwartz of the glass. No good. Pasiwagan. The long pass. 1-on-1. Fires of the glass. That's Kawil. Setting the play. Kuntapay. Dribble the ball. He goes to the middle between the legs. Creating some space. Kuntapay drives to the middle lays. Bucket! Kuntapay. Turingan. He stops. Umasinta sa 3. No good. Schwartz with the rebound. Karangyan. Bumangga. Tumira. Tumambling. And 12-point leads for Enrile to the corner. And here is Turingan. Turingan with the ball to the corner. Pasiwagan fires at 3. Bang! And down to 10-point lead. Kuntapay uses the screen. He step back for 3. Won't go. Schwartz for the rebound. And stolen by Kawilan. Turingan. He kicks out. Pasiwagan. He drives. He pass inside. Fires. Bucket. Maggay. Kuntapay. Pass to the corner. Lays. Oh, no basket. Backdoor inbound for Team Enrile. Floater shot. Bucket. Back. And here's Turingan. He sets the play. Maggay. And here's Turingan. Pagusta Pagadwan. Kuntapay. Use the screen. He pass to the middle. Karangyan. He fakes. He dribble between the legs. Karangyan step back for 3. Bang! Pass inside. Natapikan. And here's Kuntapay. Pass to Karangyan. Lace. No good. Kuntapay. Attacks floater. In and out. Battle for the rebound. Napulot. Nawala yung bola. And 3-on-1 ang laban. And pass inside Turingan. Tinapik. Pasiwagan. Tagakay. Tuturingan. He stops. Maguddayaw. Drives. Binit-bit. Lace off the glass. Bucket. For the inbound. Tagakay. He stops. Cross pass. Open fix. Floater shot. No good. Na-loses the ball. Recover. And nakuha ngayon. Javier long pass. Guzman fires off the window. Guzman. Tagakay at the logo. He's setting the play. He attacks. Pull up J3. No good. Rebound. Guzman. Magbitang. And pass to the middle. Natapikan. Magbitan goes to the hoops. Reverse layup. Magay long pass. Nauna na Liz. Easy two. Pass to the corner. Pass back. Inside. It took a floater. Won't go. Lumusot. Baseball pass. Nauna na naman. And he pass. Fires. And one. And here's Alayban. He pass to Magbitang. Pass to Ventura. Drives to the middle. Natapikan. Oops. And dive for the ball. And inside pass. Alley-oop pass. And a basket for two. And here's Magay. Crossover move. Magay. And Alayban sumigsag. Alayban natapikan. And setting the play. Tagakay. Turingan. Bounce pass. Kawilan. And here you go. Taginod. Reverse layup. Bakit? Dados. Kuntapay. Mapapadepends ito ang Team Tuguegarao. Sa gitna. Kuntapay. Natapikan. And long pass. Nauna. Magay for the inbound. Bounce pass. Taginod. He kicks out. Tagakay. Dumistansya. Versus Kuntapay. Pass to the middle. Kawilan. Attacks. Nakalusot. Block. Recovery. Kicks out. Magut. Taginod for 3. No good. Rebound. Put back. Down to dive for the ball. Sa gitna. Bumangga. Nakalusot. Easy to Guzman. Tagakay. Tagakay. Kicks out. Kawilan picks. Attack. Pull up jumper. Off target. Nag-agawan. Oh. 66-60. And 6-point lead for Team Enrile. Kuntapay. Uses the screen. He goes to the corner. Fix. Bounce pass. And Malto. Long pass. Taginod. Pass to Tagakay of the glass. May foul. And down to 5-point lead. 66-61. Sa tres. Kuntapay. Too strong. Rebound. Pass to Kawilan. Pass back. Taginod. Taginog. Bounce pass to the middle. Floater shot. No good. Put back. Malto. And here you go. Karangyan. Corner pass. Drives Ventura. Kicks out. Kuntapay. 3. Too strong. Rebound. Hook pass. Nauna na. Kawilan. Liz. Easy 2. Down to 1. Karangyan versus Tagakay. He uses the screen. Pass to Ventura. Open for 3. Bam! Mag-go! Taginod. And back to 4-point lead. Taginod. Pass to Kawilan. Kawilan. Taginod. Pass inside. Sakto yung pass. Hook shot. Wala. And Magbitang. Pass to Karangyan. Picks. Karangyan for 3. Short. Sakto yung pass. Oh! Crosses the mid lane. He goes. He stops. Picks. Pass at 3. Short. Rebound. Pass inside. Alley-oop. Pass to Malto. Pass to Guzman. Swartz. Lace. No good. Rebound. Ventura na agawan. Long pass. And pass. Bumangga. Kawilan. Recover. Pass. And the long pass. Magbitang. He stops. Bakit pinasahan lang si Magay? Long pass. No look pass. Pinasa pabalik. And here's Team Enrile. Magbitang to the corner. Swartz. Against Malto. Oops. And here's Tagaka. He goes to the corner. Pass to the middle. Malto. Bumangga. Tumira. May foul. Rebound. Kicks out. Tagakay. Oop. Taginod. Pull up jumper. In and out. Swartz for the rebound. Magbitang. Bounce pass to Swartz. Binangga. Takes. Spins. Floater shot. No good. Uy. Put back. And Sumigway. Taginod. Corner. Magay. Fires at 3. Short. Rebound. Lumusot yung bola. Natapikan. Karangyan. Naagaw. And for the inbound. And here's Ventura. Drives, goes lace off the glass. Bakit? Magbitang, cross pass. Ventura. Ventura goes to the middle. Bumangga, block. And here you go, nagkatapikan. Nakuha ngayon. And stop for 3. Short. Pass to Taginod. Taginod nakalusot. Floater off the glass. In and out. Parang yan, may pass. Punta pa easy, bakit? Tagakay, atake, lace, basket and one. Punta pa, stops, crossover. Oops, inside pass. Swartz, lace, won't go. Long pass. And here's Balisi. Cross pass. Kawilan for 3. Off the mark. Rebound. And here's Tagakay. He stop at 3. Short. Rebound. Put back. Short. Hanspo. Na Hanspo. Stops for 3. Off the mark. Pull up J. And here you go. Congratulations. And really.